Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic how to update your Wi-Fi driver and how to check your Wi-Fi driver version also. So I will update this Wi-Fi driver using this Intel driver and support assistant. So today actually this Intel driver and support assistant notified there is a update for the Wi-Fi driver. So I got the update notification through the this Intel driver support assistant. First we will check the our current Wi-Fi drivers version. So to check the current Wi-Fi driver version, just navigate to the device management. So just you need to right click on the this Windows logo and click the device manager. It will open the device manager. Navigate to the network adapters. Here you can find the your Intel your Wi-Fi adapter actually. So please select this Wi-Fi network adapter and right click on this one. Click properties and select driver. Here you can find the your driver version actually current driver version. Right now my current driver version 23.150.0.4 actually. So let me open the Intel driver support assistant. Go to the start menu and type Intel driver and support assistant. I already installed this one. So in case install, if you want to install this one, you can download and install. So you can download and install from the internet also. So it will directly give you the if there is any updates for your Wi-Fi drivers or any display drivers, it will notify you. So click this one. So directly it will open in the browser. So here you can observe here available updates. So it is notifying that there is a update for the Wi-Fi actually. Intel wireless Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10 and 11. So right now the current version is current Wi-Fi driver installed version is this one actually 23.150.0.4. After you update the driver, after you download and install that driver, it will update it to this version 23.160.0.4. Right now it is 23.150.0.4. After the update, it will update it to 23.160. So let me download and install this one. Click download. So in case there is any updates, it will show you here actually. Otherwise, you can check here also in the device and drivers. You can check the each processor driver, any graphics driver, audio, and there is any driver. It will if you elaborate this one, it will show you actually if there are any updates available. Otherwise, sometimes it will directly display here also. So it is downloaded. Please install this one. Click yes. Waiver is applicable to Wi-Fi 7 and Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6 also. And Intel 9000 series wireless adapters. Please wait for a second. It is in progress actually. It is installing. So after that it will pop up a window actually to install the driver actually. So you need to click next actually. Please click next. and click on the I agree. Check this box, I agree, and click next. After that, it will update to the this version actually. Right now, this current version is 23.150.0.4. After we update, we will change it to 23.160.0.4. I will show you that one after installation finished. Click next. Case if it is asked for the restart after the installation finished, please make a restart. But it is not necessary for every time. Case if it is asked for the restart, please click restart also. So actually, install this Intel driver and support assistant. It will actually notify you in case is there any updates available. Please automatically notifies you to install. There is any updates actually. You install this Intel DSA driver and support assistant. Please automatically recommend you to install the updates actually. After that, you can update your drivers also. If you don't have this Intel DSA, you can download from the internet also. You can see here installation completed. Please click finish. So let me go back to the again device manager. Let me check the driver version again. Before it is actually 23.150. Let me check now what it will show you now. Before it is actually 23.150. After the installation finished, the driver version also updated actually 23.160. That's it guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. And for more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.